The right pan for frying is essential for achieving that perfect sear and ensuring your food cooks evenly. In this video, we're going to introduce you to the top 5 best pans for frying, so you can elevate your cooking and enjoy delicious, crispy results every time. Make sure to check the video description below for additional information and click the links to easily purchase the products you love. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's find your perfect match. Number 1. HexClad 10-inch Frying Pan. This pan features a tri-ply construction of high-quality aluminum sandwiched between 2 layers of stainless steel, and it's laser-etched with HexClad's patented hexagonal nonstick surface. This innovative design ensures ideal cooking performance and even heat distribution. Whether you have an induction, gas, electric, or ceramic cooktop, the HexClad pan is ready to shine. It's also oven-safe up to a scorching 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Adding versatility to your cooking and cleanup. It's a breeze. The metal utensil-resistant surface can handle some kitchen roughhousing, and while hand washing is recommended, it's also dishwasher-friendly. Your purchase includes the 10-inch frying pan, which measures approximately 10 inches in diameter, 2 inches in height, and weighs 3 pounds. Plus, HexClad backs their products with a lifetime warranty against manufacturer defects, making this a pan that's built to last. Just remember to season it according to the official instructions to unlock the full potential of HexClad's hybrid nonstick functionality. Number 2. Creuset Toughened Nonstick Pro Fry Pan. This fry pan boasts a revolutionary triple reinforced surface that is a whopping 4 times stronger than typical nonstick pans, ensuring it can handle the heat of your kitchen. What sets this pan apart is the textured interior, designed to promote browning and searing like a pro. Achieve exceptional flavor in your dishes while keeping cleanup a breeze as food glides off effortlessly. It's like having the benefits of a cast iron skillet without the hassle. Made from hard anodized aluminum, this pan guarantees quick and even heating, and it's compatible with all cooktops, including induction. Plus, it's oven-safe up to a scorching 500 degrees Fahrenheit, while the tempered glass lid can handle up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. And when the culinary adventure is over, you can just toss it in the dishwasher. This pan is built to withstand the test of time and is even safe for metal utensils. Elevate your cooking with the Creuset Toughened Nonstick Pro Fry Pan. It's the go-to choice for home chefs who crave professional results. Number 3. Made in Cookware 12-inch Frying Pan. This 12.5-inch pan combines the best of 2 worlds, the heat retention and slick properties of cast iron, with the heat control, lightness, and cooking speed of stainless steel. The result? A versatile and incredibly durable pan that can handle temperatures up to a scorching 1,200 degrees Fahrenheit. That's decades of use right there. From stovetop to grill to open flame, this induction-compatible pan is your go-to for indoor and outdoor cooking. It's loved by chefs worldwide because it delivers restaurant-quality sears on proteins and veggies, creating a mesmerizing non-stick surface with proper seasoning and regular use. Proudly crafted by artisans in France, this pan is made from premium metals, ensuring that you receive the highest quality, professional-grade cookware. It's the perfect tool for anyone who's passionate about their craft. So, if you're looking to take your culinary skills to the next level, embrace the Made in Cookware 12-inch frying pan and experience the best of both cast iron and stainless steel. Number 4. Creuset Enameled Cast Iron Skillet. Crafted with precision, this skillet boasts enameled cast iron that delivers superior heat distribution and retention. No need for tedious seasoning, it's ready to use right out of the box. And when it comes to cleanup, the durable enamel is your best friend. It resists dulling, staining, chipping, and cracking, ensuring a long-lasting, beautiful piece of cookware. The black satin interior enamel is specially formulated to withstand higher surface temperatures, enhancing its cooking performance. What's more, it's the lightest weight cast iron skillet by quart on the market, making it easy to handle in the kitchen. Versatility is its middle name. This skillet is compatible with all cooktops and can handle the heat in the oven up to a scorching 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Plus, it's safe for the dishwasher and can withstand the demands of metal utensils. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook looking to take your dishes to the next level, the Creuset enameled cast iron handle skillet is your trusty sidekick. Number 5. All-Clad D3 3-ply stainless steel fry pan. This premium 12-inch stainless steel fry pan is not just any pan. It's a versatile powerhouse that's designed with a durable tri-ply construction for even heat distribution and retention. Whether you're searing, sautéing, frying, or creating delightful pan sauces, this pan has got you covered. The D3 tri-ply technology ensures fast and even heating right to the rim, making it perfect for professional-level performance in your home kitchen. The 18/10 stainless steel surface allows you to sear your ingredients to perfection, and it's excellent for deglazing, enhancing your culinary creations. The design is not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing. With a professionally polished stainless steel finish, this pan is not just a workhorse, it's a piece of kitchen art. The double-riveted stainless steel handles offer a secure and comfortable grip while you're cooking up a storm. Built to last, All-Clad is trusted by generations of chefs and comes with a limited lifetime warranty. You can confidently use this cookware in the oven or broiler at temperatures up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's compatible with all stovetops, including induction. For best care, hand washing is recommended. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey through the world of shopping. Make sure to check the video description for any additional resources and links to purchase your favorite products. Stay tuned for more expert reviews. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest and greatest. Until next time, happy shopping and may you always find your perfect match.